Now we are going to see about IoT physical devices and endpoints. Here we are going to discuss about Arduino. Arduino is a open source electronic platform with easy to use hardware and software. It is used for building digital devices. It consists of a physical programmable circuit board, that is microcontroller, plus an IDE for writing software. This is a powered and programmed through USB. Also include ICSP connector and a reset button. It uses a C-style language. The hardware layer is written in high-level languages. It is easy to learn. It can handle both analog and digital signals. The features of Arduino are processing and I/O, communication, and power and storage. Audio pins, analog and digital. What's the difference between analog and digital pin? Means analog, it supports 10-bit analog to digital conversion. It uses analog read function. It can store values from 0 to 255. It is more suitable for large value inputs, high accuracy for continuous signals. In digital pins used for general input and output tasks, used for binary on-off control, data transmitted as binary sequence in terms of zeros and ones. Electric signals in Arduino. It consists of two signals, analog signal and digital signal. Analog signal take any value in a continuous range. Fewer errors compared to digital. The digital signal only few discrete values, 1 and 0. 1 is high and 0 is low. Used for simple on and off control. Lower memory requirement can cause quantization errors. This is suitable for switches and LEDs and relays. Arduino programming basics. It is divided into two main sections, setup and loop. Setup means runs once on power is set up. It initializes pin modes, libraries and variables. Lives at the top of every sketch. Loop means runs repeatedly after setup. It is used for execute statements multiple times based on variable values. Time, basic unit is millisecond. 1 second equal to 1000 milliseconds. Pin mode, it assigns a pin as input and output. Digital write, it sets pin voltage. Delay halts program execution for the specified duration. Types of Arduino boards. There are so many Arduino boards. These are some of the types. Application of Arduino. Arduino is used in robotics and automation to build autonomous robots. In smart devices for home automation systems, smart switches and lighting, security alarm systems, and also in smart devices, it is used in wearable fitness trackers. Prototyping and IoT. This is also one of the application of Arduino. It is rapid prototyping of circuits. It is used in IoT sensor nodes. It is used in integration with Raspberry. Educational experiments also it can be used. The advantages of Arduino is best starting point for electronics and programming beginners. No prior electronics experience needed. It is open source. It is inexpensive. The disadvantages of Arduino are restricted communication, limited to basic protocols, limited memory. There are security vulnerabilities, lack of precision in analog to digital conversion. It cannot be programmed for real-time applications. It only depends on other components for responses. What is Raspberry Pi? Credit card sized board computer. It is a programmable PC developed in the UK by Raspberry Pi Foundation in 2009. It supports GPIO pins for physical computing and IoT explorations. Runs free and open source. Why we choose this means it is very low cost, great tool for learning programming, runs free and open source. It consumes less than 4 watts of power. It is energy efficient. Then fun to learn and explore. So we can choose this. Raspberry Pi models and release timeline. These are the Pi models and release timeline. Raspberry Pi consists of key hardware components. It consists of processor and memory, display and video, and power indicators. Processors and memory, it consists of ARM based Broadcom SoC processors, on chip graphics processing unit, CPU, onboard, etc. In display and video, camera serial interface, display serial interface for LCD, and full HD video support. Power and indicator means it consists of power LED. Lights when power is connected, it blinks when power supply drops, and multiple USB ports for peripherals.